Hello friends, how are you? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying your day. Today I have very beautiful and very special for you people, and especially for the mothers. This is the beautiful video regarding the beautiful feeder bottle covers made out of crochet. Every if you get tired wet water bottle in the summer, lots of us love to have our bottle nice and cold to cool us down, but don't want all the condensation all over our bags or hands. This simple cause is fast to crochet and will help absorb condensation from your water bottle. This pattern requires color changes. If you do not already know how to change colors in crochet, it's never too late to learn. Or you can choose not to change colors in the patterns. These are very beautiful, simple, unique color patterns. Their multicolors are also available in my video. This can help you to choose the best color for you and for your baby. If there is a baby girl's feeder, it must be a multicolored feeder. It attracts the baby. And if you are having little difference for male or female baby boy or baby girl, it will change the color. It will attract you, and these are also used for the water bottles. It will help us to make our water bottle safe and cool enough in the summer, so it looks more attractive and creative. Here is a little information about how to make the crochet cover pattern for your bottle. This simple cause is so fast to crochet and will absorb the condensation from your water bottle. This pattern requires color changes. If you do not already know how to change colors in crochet, I will tell you the skills, the finished size for. Let's take a view on this pattern. I will tell you you will need almost 7 centimeters in the diameter, or 5 to